Hey guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to edit WIX footer. So let's go to WIX editor page first. This is the WIX editor page. WIX editor page. Sorry. Now you have to drop down till the last, and you'll find footer. This is called footer. You can see here footer. Now you have to click on this footer, and you'll find here change footer design. Click on change footer design, and you'll find here many things. Footer color, design color, you can make it like this white or discover more footers. Now you have to click on, you can change the color by this, and you have to click on this customize design to make it more. You can see the design here. Border will be like this or like this. You can see the border background should be 100%, or you can slide it by this. Center background, you can slide it by this. Okay, you can see the corners, you can change the corners from here. Again, you can see fill color and capacity. Shadow, if you want shadow, you can apply shadow here. You can see the blurriness, copy, and doing this thing like that. Opacity color, you can do the opacity color like this. Alright, so this is how you can edit a WIX footer. You can edit a lot more here. Okay, I'm showing again. Click on this footer, customize design, fill color, opacity, or anything you can change from here. So if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.